in the GTA. It flipped over to like big snowflakes last night. Some of that has accumulated on grassy areas or on your roof. A lot of it's melting on contact with the pavement just due to the fact that the ground, the asphalt, is going to be a little bit warmer, so that melting is happening there. Where it's certainly sticking is in eastern Ontario, southern Quebec, and then eventually Atlantic Canada. So a number of warnings are in effect this morning. The big one is the winter storm warning for the eastern townships in Quebec. 20 to 30 centimeters of snow here. Winds that'll be around 70, 80 kilometers an hour. Outside of that, we have snowfall warnings in 3 provinces for Ontario, from the greater Sudbury region all the way eastward through Miramichi in New Brunswick. Totals here are 10 to 20 generally, but some isolated areas could pick up to 30 centimeters of snow. Special weather statements blanket the rest of Atlantic Canada, saying, hey, you're going to get this wet snow. It's going to be windy as well. We also have weather advisories that are still in place east of Toronto. New this morning, Toronto has been dropped from all of the weather advisories, but east of that, winter driving conditions will be in effect for today. I think the big thing to take into consideration is the spray off other vehicles on the roadways is going to reduce your visibility. There's some ponding happening as well, so hydroplaning would be a factor for today. And then the moisture in the atmosphere is contributing to dense fog through portions of southwest Ontario, so visibility is not great to start off the day. And unfortunately, this is a real slow mover. It just sticks around for the next couple of days. So something to keep in mind, despite the fact that areas are being dropped from the weather advisories, does not mean it is going to be like sunshine today. That active weather will linger. It's just no longer warning criteria. So even Toronto could see a few snowflakes, wet snow later on. Eastern Ontario picking up heavier accumulations from Montreal up towards Quebec City as well. And then southwest Ontario into showers. Slowly but surely, we are going to see conditions improve, but even into Friday morning, there's lingering snowfall for Ontario and Quebec, a few showers possible into the afternoon. Saturday starts off cloudy, but by the afternoon, the cloud begins to recede for areas farther west. Ottawa, Montreal, you'll stay in showers right as we head into Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday, whew, it'll be so sunny, it'll be a shock to the system. Now we're going to zoom out, because next week, Monday, a big day. It is the eclipse day, traveling from northern Mexico through Texas, all the way up through the lower Great Lakes and into Atlantic Canada. This is the outlook for Monday morning. We've got cloud and storms tracking across the U.S. By mid-afternoon, eclipse time, you can see many areas will be dealing with precipitation. Where we'll be in the Niagara area, let's hope this happens. See that? That's clear sky. Right where I'll be, but many areas of Ontario will be seeing that cloud cover. Best chance looks like for the eclipse on Monday, southern Quebec, New Brunswick, and PEI. We'll talk more about that coming up. Plus, we'll track today's weather into Atlantic Canada. For now, here's a look at what you can expect today.